Attacked at the hands of somebody she was actually trying to help.
Now that healthcare worker is on a mission to enact industry-wide changes, as news specialist Andrew Adams found out tonight. Andrew?
Deanie, this woman says what happened to her has happened to countless healthcare professionals across the country. She hopes her story resonates with those in position to make changes.
I'm looking into Senate legislature.
Writing to lawmakers can be a daunting task.
It's a little intimidating.
And finding the right words.
So my name is Caitlin Jones. I'm a 20-year-old caregiver who worked for Chrysalis.
Becomes even harder with a traumatic brain injury.
A traumatic brain injury with frontal lobe damage, a herniated disc in the upper thoracic spine, and a torn rotator cuff in the right shoulder. And that's just the physical injuries.
Caitlin Jones was hurt badly in July while working at a Chrysalis group home in Layton.
And you can see the bruise.
A patient with special needs attacked her.
I was thrown to the ground and from there was stomped on, spit on, kicked. My head was stomped on.
The assault lasted 18 minutes.
And that was all just because my employer didn't feel it necessary to disclose information.
Jones says she found out later this wasn't the first time for the patient.
There had in fact been an attack before.
Now facing a lengthy recovery.
I have no freedom. My life is ruled by doctor's appointments.
Jones is pitching her congressmen and state lawmakers.
Just kind of trying to get support behind all of this.
On several reforms for her industry.
There has to be multiple staff on shift at all times.
She says knowing a patient's history is a must.
I took a shift alone in a house with somebody who I thought was safe to be around, and it wasn't.
Line upon neatly written line.
My legislation proposal is meant to give protection to all healthcare workers.
Jones hopes her story will make a difference.
I really do have a fight. I need to stand up and be a voice for people who are put in situations like this, like me.
Now, an industry rep says tonight that those longer histories should be available through the individual providers. We did get a statement as well from the CEO of Chrysalis tonight. He says he feels horrible about what took place, but he also says the company is in compliance with state requirements.